Today, we're going to build a Bat Segway using 7 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
The first thing we're going to do is grab our 2x2 plate, wheel plate here, and you can grab any 2x2 wheel plate you want. This one's old from like when I was a kid in the 80s or 90s, so you can see the little rust there on the metal. But what we're going to do after we get our wheel plate is we're going to get a 1x2 plate with closed handle and just put it on one side of that plate so it's kind of sticking out a little bit. The next thing we're going to do is grab one of these robot arms, these mechanical arms here, and you put that clip into the handle there so it kind of curves towards the wheels. That's going to be the bar of our Segway. Now on top of that, we're going to grab one of these mechanical arms. You're going to put that mechanical arm into the hole of that claw piece, into the arm, like this, so that the claws are facing the same direction. And what we're going to do for the handle, since this is Batman's Segway, we're going to grab a Batarang to bat up this design and put it right there into that claw piece, facing forward, so the Batarang now acts as the handles to a Segway. And then the last thing I have to do is, I've got these red wheels here, and luckily I have the Batmobile from the classic Batcave that came with these 1x1 round tile plates with the Bat symbol on them for the hubcaps. So I'm just going to put those on the side to really deck out this Bat vehicle here. And there we have a completed Batman Segway, Batway? I don't know, I came up with this idea while I was playing Lego City, and you have the chief who's always riding his Segway everywhere, so I thought, hey, it'd be kind of a cool thing to rearrange and make into a Batman vehicle.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.